Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal, out here at the in-laws place again, and just want to show you guys a quick update on the garden. You can see the raspberries are doing crazy good. Some of them are like up to almost like my shoulder height in the back here. They're really tall. They're doing great. We just harvested our first couple, and I think they're quite nice and sweet. But anyway, just want to show you guys the raised beds. We've taken off the little greenhouse tent things, put them back over there. It's getting really hot now, so we don't need those obviously. And unfortunately this year, because of all the rain we've had, well, I suppose that was a good thing, but in some ways it really caused a lot of slug damage this year. So we lost quite a bit of plants and little seedlings at the start. You could see some lettuce over here. There's some radish growing slowly but surely. This is some kind of flower. I'm not good with flowers, so I don't really know the details on it, but I think those guys are also this type of flower just growing in there kind of randomly. And I planted a tiny shriveled up little ginger over here. I just marked it with some stakes. That was in a pot that got left in the basement all winter long. It got shriveled up to this tiny, like pinky size root, but I noticed that it was still alive and trying to put out a little shoot. So we'll give that a chance and see what it does. Mrs. CEO just planted some zucchinis back here in the back, and then also in the little mulched area back there, more zucchinis, and then also a type of squash which I featured in a video a long time ago, and I can't remember the name of them. They're a really long squash. In Hungarian it's the kolbasztok, which is like sausage squash, I guess, or whatever they call it, something like that. But yeah, I got good information on that on one of the comments on that video. Make sure you check it out if you haven't seen it. But hopefully they'll go okay, and we're gonna just run it up on the fence in the back here and see what it does. So lots to look forward to. Strawberries did really well this year. We had quite a few. I see a ripe one over here on the corner. We had quite a few of them. I think we're kind of near the tail end of the strawberries in this location. So this one's a little bit kind of not so perfect, but it looks really nice and red. I've been kind of snacking on some of these earlier today. This one's pretty much good to go as well. So yeah, things are going pretty okay, I would say. We did lose a lot of stuff in the beginning, like I say, but you know me, I always try to be positive and upbeat. So we will see what the season holds and what it brings for us. And in either case, we're going to keep trying to build the soil fertility. You can see, all the growth of the raspberries here, and the mulch keeps breaking down. We keep adding more, the soil keeps improving, and we keep learning, and that's a big part of it. So I just think of every failure as an opportunity to learn, and then we just keep going the best we can the next time. So yeah, anyway, that's it for this video. Hope you guys are good, and see you in another video soon.